We are heading into Valentine's week, and the market surely seems to be in a mood for love, rewarding patience with the right recipe of news, price action, and momentum. Welcome to the weekly market analysis on Multify. Starting with Queen Nifty. Nifty made a weekly low of 24,679 before trade deal news triggered a strong gap up. The index formed a high around 26,341 and closed near 25,693. Shows strong recovery. Holding above 25,500 keeps the short term outlook positive. Whereas Bank Nifty dipped to a weekly low near 57,829, faced resistance around 61,764 and closed near 6120. Strong buying from lower levels indicates resilience and sustaining above 60,000 remains key for continued bullish momentum. Now, moving to the King Sensex. Sensex corrected to a weekly low near 80,387, rebounded sharply to a high around 85,871 and closed near 83,580. The strong recovery highlights accumulation at lower levels, keeping the broader trend positive for buyers. Now let's discuss domestically what was important this week and what will be the key factors for the next week. First, let's start what was important this week. Markets reacted positively to trade related developments. FIIs showed selective buying after recent selling pressure. Now, moving to what is important next week. Focus will remain on global cues and macro data. Volatility may increase due to US economic numbers. Now, moving to the global market. High impact US economy data releases are scheduled for next week. Retail sales, employment data, CPI numbers are lined up. These events can drive global volatility, impacting Indian indices indirectly. So, if you wish to trade these market conditions with better clarity and defined levels, you can have a look at the Multify app, which provides market insights and trade ideas backed by SEBI registered analysts. Stay prepared, manage your risk carefully, and trade informed with Multify.